Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your instrument and tone for metal playing. Tune your guitar to standard or drop D depending on the song. Use heavy gauge strings if you prefer tighter feel and more sustain. Set a high gain amp patch with moderate bass and scooped mids for clarity and aggression. Dial presence and treble to taste to cut through the mix. Learn the minor scales, pentatonic boxes, and harmonic minor scale shapes across the neck. These scales form the core metal solo vocabulary and unlock melodic possibilities. Develop picking precision and control for fast metal runs. Practice strict alternate picking and economy picking patterns with a metronome. Start at 80 BPM and slowly increase up to 160 BPM for speed building. Work on palm muting near the bridge to tighten low strings and accent gallop rhythms. Add controlled bends and wide vibrato on sustained notes to create vocal-like phrasing. Insert pinch harmonics on notes where you want extra bite. Combine legato hammer-ons, pull-offs. Think like a composer when building a solo phrase for metal songs. Create short motifs of 3 to 8 notes and repeat them with variations to build cohesion. Use call and response between fast runs and slower melodic lines for contrast. Practice daily with a focused plan. 20 to 30 minutes on speed and technique, then 20 to 30 minutes on phrasing and expression. Learn famous metal solos by ear to internalize note choices and rhythmic placement. Record your practice and critique tone, timing, and musical decisions regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.